What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Top 5 Tray, your favorite spot for tech that's more than just hype. Today, we're talking about a smartwatch that doesn't just sit pretty on your wrist. It tracks your workouts, keeps you healthy, takes your calls, and barely ever needs a recharge. Say hello to the Huawei Watch GT5 Pro. 46 millimeters of power, precision, and premium design. From multi-sport tracking and built-in GPS to 14-day battery life and Bluetooth calling. This watch is built for athletes, adventurers, and everyday warriors who need more than just step counts and fancy faces. And trust me, if you're tired of your smartwatch dying midweek or missing half your workouts, this thing might just be your new daily driver. Remember, the product featured in this video will be linked in the description below, so be sure to scroll down and check it out. And hey, if you've ever skipped wearing a smartwatch because it couldn't keep up with you, smash that like button, subscribe for more real-world gear breakdowns, and let's get into it. Let's kick things off with the design, because this thing looks tough. The GT5 Pro 46mm brings a sharp-edged, bold black design that just screams, "Let's go." Whether you're suiting up for a run, a meeting, or a night out, it blends rugged and refined perfectly. The case, durable and strong. The strap, comfortable and secure. It's built to move with you. No weird pinching, no slipping around when you sweat. And let's not forget, it just looks clean. Like, yeah, I lift and run spreadsheets clean. Now the display, this thing's got screen presence. At 46mm, you've got plenty of space to view your stats, navigate menus, or flex your custom watch face. Everything is crisp, bright, and easy to read, even under direct sunlight. Whether you're glancing mid-run or checking your heart rate in a dark room, this screen's got your back. Under the hood, smooth sailing. The GT5 Pro runs on Huawei's Harmony OS, and it's optimized for one thing: buttery smooth performance without battery drain. No lag, no stutter, just quick responsive tracking and updates. With 128 megabytes of memory, it handles everything you throw at it, from activity logs to phone syncing, like a champ. Now let's talk power, and this right here is a flex. You're looking at a 524 milliamp hour lithium polymer battery, which translates to up to 14 days of battery life. 14 days. That means no daily charging, no midweek panic when your watch is down to 3%. Even with GPS tracking, heart rate monitoring, and notifications turned on, you're easily cruising through a full week or more. Set it and forget it. This is a smartwatch that actually keeps up. And yes, it's fully Bluetooth ready, meaning you can pair it with iOS or Android effortlessly. Answer calls, check texts, control your music, all from your wrist. No more fumbling for your phone mid-workout or during a meeting. This thing isn't just a fitness tracker, it's a full-blown risk communicator. Health tracking? Absolutely stacked. You've got everything you'd expect, like heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and activity rings, but it's the consistency and accuracy that makes this one shine. Want to know how you slept? It breaks it down by deep, light, and REM stages. Want to manage stress? It gives you real-time stress monitoring and breathing exercises. You're not just getting data, you're getting insights that help you stay on track. Now let's talk fitness. This is where the GT5 Pro really earns that pro title. With multi-sport tracking, you can log your runs, bike rides, swims, hikes, gym sessions, even outdoor walking or climbing. And with built-in GPS, you don't need to carry your phone for accurate route mapping. It tracks distance, calories, pace, elevation, all in real time. Outdoors, indoors, underwater, it adapts to your workout style and keeps you locked in with real-time feedback. And you know we love the extras. Built-in alarm clock, yup, activity reminders, for sure, weather updates, right there on your wrist. You've even got Bluetooth calling, so you can answer right from the watch. No need to dig out your phone if you're mid-rep or driving, all the smart stuff you need, none of the fluff. The GT5 Pro isn't just a workout beast, it shines in everyday life too. You're getting call, text, and app notifications, plus media controls, timers, and even remote camera shutter, if paired with your phone. It's the kind of watch that quietly handles the background stuff, so you can focus on your day. And since the battery lasts forever, you won't be babysitting it every night. So who's this smartwatch actually for? If you're into fitness, adventure, outdoor sports, or just want a reliable health companion that actually lasts, this is for you. If you've been burned by smartwatches that die in a day, lag out during workouts, or can't survive a rainy run, this is your upgrade. And if you just want a smartwatch that doesn't scream tech toy, but still performs like a champ, this is the one. Now let's talk numbers. The Huawei Watch GT5 Pro 46mm is currently going for around $332. Down from its original $349. And with this feature set, that's a solid deal. You're getting flagship performance without the flagship price tag, and it ships globally too. So no matter where you're watching from, you're covered. All right, let's break it all down. With the Huawei Watch GT5 Pro, you're getting bold, premium 46mm design, 14-day battery life with fast performance, built-in GPS, and multi-sport tracking health tools like heart rate, sleep, and stress monitoring, Bluetooth smooth calling, plus iOS Android support, Harmony OS for a smooth, clutter-free experience, and a look that works from gym to boardroom. Whether you're chasing PRs or just want a smarter way to stay on top of your health, the GT5 Pro is the upgrade you've been waiting for. Hit the link in the description to check availability and pricing. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment with what smartwatch you're rocking right now, and don't forget to subscribe for more weekly gear that works hard so you don't have to. Until next time, stay strong, stay sharp. Peace out.